Koala English. Hey, we're going to do the puzzle first?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, whoa, you've started already. Holy mackerel, that's good.
That?
That looks good. Yeah? Where does that one go? That goes there. What? You're very fast. How many times have you done this before? Once? 5 times before?
One time.
One time?
One time before.
Well, you're very good for someone who's only done it once. And who's this?
Anpanman.
Who's this one?
Mikeman.
Who's this?
Dogginton.
Dockin-chan. Oh, okay. Oh, does that go there? That's a bit different, isn't it?
Look.
Yeah. Oh, wow, look. Oh, that's good. Oh.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute, okay.
Okay. This one goes there.
That one goes there, okay.
That one goes there.
Are you sure?
That one goes there.
That goes there, okay.
Look.
Whoa, wow.
That's a lot of prison.
That's a lot.
That's a lot. Kasi in the here, kasi in the McDonald, how the farm.
You want to do Old MacDonald next?
No.
No, okay. Whoa. So we got Anpanman and Biking-man and Dockin-chan. Who's this one?
Melon Panda-chan.
Melon Panda-chan. Oh, never heard of Melon Panda-chan before.
Eh?
I've never heard of Melon Panda-chan before.
Melon Panda-chan.
Who's this one?
Biking-man.
That's Biking-man too. Well, Biking-man looks different in that picture.
Eh? This one.
Yeah. Well, you're almost finished. You're very fast. Oh. Whoa, what's next? And what's this? What's this one?
Toby.
That's who?
Toby.
Toby?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's a lot of prison.
Yeah.
Wow.
Are we missing one?
Yeah.
Oh, no. We found the last piece of the puzzle.
Why?
Look. Oh. Oh. That looks good.
Why